Continuing from my previous video on how to set up a local server in WordPress using LocalWP, it's sometimes helpful to know where in the system you have your files saved or where the LocalWP software installed everything. So on the Macintosh, go to Macintosh hard drive users, and then here's my name, here's my user, local sites, and then you'll see those are all of the sites that I showed you from the previous video. MMST 123 teaching site, and the one that I just did was site 4. So if you open up site 4, this is where your app is. It's going to be in public, and these are where all of the WordPress files are. So if you ever do need to go in and add plugins or fix things, it's going to be under the site name, app folder, public, and then here are all the WordPress files. And these are covered in a lot of tutorials and videos elsewhere, but that's where it's located on a Mac. On a Windows machine, finding the actual site files is a little bit more complicated. So I think the easiest way is choose your website and then go here to Site folder, and that'll show you in the File Explorer exactly where those files are. Notice that it took me directly to Site 2, and then I can go to App and then Public, and they should be in that same folder on Windows.